Peace, peace. What's going on with you good people? You should already know you back with your homeboy Wrenchturna. This is another daily vlog and I am at Lowe's because it is time for a new grill, man. I've had my grill for quite some time and I want to grill today, but I don't want to grill on the grill that I currently have. So it's time for a new grill. Alright, let's get into it. Let's get it, baby.
Tonight I'm feeling heavy,
Feeling real heavy.
Lights down low. It's C4,
baby.
It's time to do.
What we gonna do?
Tonight we gon' ride. Tonight we gon' ride.
Yeah, man. So before I get to getting it with everything that's going on with this grill situation, because I still got to go to the supermarket too. So you don't know where I am right now? Yeah, man, I'm at my spot, getting ready to get the car spit shine and all that. Next frame. Yes. Okay. Show 'em how we get it, baby. I'ma break it all down to the ground as such. My ketchup and hot sauce, niggas is lunch. My flow come tighter than DVDs. Try to touch me and poison like BBD. I'm big, black, established. Never had stylists. I don't want your bitch. I'm worried about mileage. Caribbean sands like Grand Caveman. No cell phone, now I holler when I land. My treatment deep, man, call that sick. Seeds of cheap weed, you want backyard. Who's around town on leather lounge. 47 two clips like 94 rounds. Imaginary niggas like Drop Dead Fred. Call KJ Holiday, put you in bed. New leaf, yeah, I'm on it. Blame it on TV like a blue 602 with white powder beats. I know who the fuck it is. I bet. Blak got it, motherfucker. You won't. Black entertainment, I know. Shit. And all these bitches like, bounce. I know. Yes. Tell these niggas. Let's go. I've been getting dough since the fucking Tooth Fairy. Talk shit, Mike Vick, the bomb, Hail Mary. Full fast, big larkin, bigger sparkin'. They hear you coughing, barely talking. Bitches wanna play me, I guess I'm an obstacle. I beat it up, bustin' a trick and not optional. Back in the day, I used to be a little squirt. Mama feelings got hurt when she found my work. Working for the man visually, I couldn't see it. Everything that my daddy was, I didn't wanna be it. Uncle John was a singer, Uncle Junie was a clapper. I Lily talk shit, so I had to be a rapper. Made my own lane, no bomber for change. Ain't had no connects, drifted right in the game. If you wanna talk flame, bitch, I'm molten steel. 9/11 couldn't break me, kick rocks, nigga. Here. I know who the fuck it is. I bet. Blak got it, motherfucker. You won't. Black entertainment, I know. Shit. And all these bitches like, bounce. I won't. Let's go. I try to be humble, y'all stumble across hits. Daddy hard hit. Ride down Austin, damn near flossing. Better watch out, boy, that nigga there bossing. Smoke till my lips fall off, I know it's my fault. The coupe got cat eyes, I like to pop a top off. Banging new seat, hard trunk to beat. Got the rim shined up, and I'm low in the seat. German shoes, German whip, even got a German clip. For that nigga wanna jokes, cause they drive a piece of shit. Been holding my own since cross color clothes. Ain't the flaming llama, man, kicking down doors. Call of Duty pimping, we a world at war. So I keep a few revolvers, clips and more. Look, when them doors go up, them hoes show up. I'm an easy target, and they're easy fuck. Car hoppers at the bus stop, her and a friend. What you do, you keep it pimpin', bitch, get in. Daylight, puffin' green, blowing trees, selling yay. We be getting it in, boys, as you do that. I be doing so hard, you can't get in. The paper She like, he like, you like, they like. Puffin' green, blue and tree, selling yay. We be getting it in boys and shit like this. I be doing so hard, you can't get it. She like, he like, you like, they like. Moving through the crowd like I'm tall as Shaq. Yeah, so I ended up finishing the grill. And I know some people gonna look at it like, yo, it's supposed to be a wall right here. Yeah, it does. I changed that because I don't like banging up my propane tanks. And the reason I don't is because I ain't about playing with my life. Alright? So I did it reverse. I just put the wall on the back end and kept the bar in the front because this bar right here I can just snatch out. It just comes right out. So I did it like that, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just me upgrading my grill. It's more to come. It's a new day. It doesn't feel so bad out here. I got on my hood like it feels bad out here. But make sure that you visit bostonbridges.com. Make sure that you stop by and stay fly. Hope the sun isn't in your eyes. Make sure that you remember to love yourself. Love self always. Remember, somebody loves you. I talk to you guys on the back end. Wrenchturna out. Wrenchturna out.